from Jspiders College, Bangalore. I knew Jspider through my seniors. So I joined Jspider in the month of August and got placed in the month of October as a web designer at Caramel BPM. I want to thank my web faculty, that is Siraj sir, who taught me web technology. So before joining Jspider, I knew all basic knowledge about computer and technologies. After joining Jspider, I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SQL. In Jspider, I liked the explanation which is given by the faculties, where all the concepts are explained easily with real-time example, where all the students will understand easily. And these examples and concept helped me to crack my interview. So I would like to thank all the faculties of Jspider and Pyspiders Hebbal. Thank you.